Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable bin in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator vegetable bin. There are two identical vegetable bins used in this refrigerator. They are located at the bottom of the refrigerator. The main reason to replace the vegetable bin is if it breaks and won't slide in and out, or keep the food inside. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the vegetable bin, we just pull it out, slide it, then lift it up slightly and remove it. This is the old refrigerator vegetable bin next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the vegetable bin, we're going to place it on the rails and push it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.